Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Yeah, so I really want to ride the Banshee today. I stayed in the house all day yesterday, man. I didn't even come out the house, man. This whole weekend, I just kind of been taking it easy because I know I spent a lot of money in the month of November, and I got to get right moving forward for December and January. So these are the headlights that are on my baby's car. And my partner, he restored them. JSP, he did his damn thing, man. That looked good. Look really clean. Yeah, he detailed them really good. I've been hitting the rims a little bit. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna hit it with some of these wipes that this dude gave me to help bring out the chrome. But like I was saying, I really want to bring out the Banshee just for a quick little spin today. And man, I'm making a little bit of progress. This would be ideal if I could put a lift up in here, a 2-post lift. That would be ideal if I could put it up in here somewhere. I might have to move some things around, but I'm trying to create space for another car. So we would have 3 cars plus all the bikes, and there will be another bike, another Banshee coming, plus my TRX. So I got to figure out how can I maximize this 1,250 square feet. And honestly, I almost start thinking about selling this one. They cross my mind every so often. I already know people are willing to buy this one. And this is a great low maintenance 4-wheeler, dependable as hell. And that's the only reason why I'm like, I don't want to sell it, because when this one is acting up, at least I'll still have this one. These are probably the only 2 4-wheelers I plan to keep, and I'll probably give me a bike, and that'll probably be it. You know, I don't know. I'm really liking the wheeling, the dealing, the trading. I like that type of stuff. So maybe I might trade this for a dirt bike. I'm not sure. And then sell the dirt bike for profit. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I need to hold on to this one. It's kind of hard to get rid of stuff that you know is a good investment. You know, like this was a good investment. This was a decent investment, and that was a great investment. Well, I'm gonna say great, decent, and great. But I'm finna throw y'all on time lapse. I'm finna pull this car out. I brought Mrs. Tropicana out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull her in. And so yeah, man, if this your first time tuning into the channel, if you like bikes, you like cars, you like dirt bikes, you like muscle cars, you like classic, you like tuners, you like going fast, shit like that, or just being around it, you know, this is the channel that you want to subscribe to. I'm hoping that you're going to like everything on this video. I work hard to create this content. I do it. It doesn't even matter how many views I get, because I'm going to keep on doing it. This is my day-to-day life. It's not staged. This is really what's going on, you know. And I ain't doing this shit for no clickbait, none of that, man. So, you know what I mean? I'm about to go ahead and do what I got to do, because I don't have a lot of time to be fooling with this Banshee today. And I already know how I get when I get on them. I just like, everything just goes away, and I just want to have fun, and I don't want to stop. So I really don't want to get too crazy on it today, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and move these cars up out of here and warm up the Banshee. Just take it for a quick little spin. And I don't have my GoPro for it, but if y'all tune into my other videos, y'all see the GoPro footage, and we got a lot more coming. But y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. Yes, sir. Man, so we got all the white cars over here at the house now. Brought the tourists home. Of course, the expedition, it hasn't moved. I'm about to see what I can do about getting this transmission leak fixed. Brought the dually home. So I got the dually over here now. But Sugar want me to add some stuff to this car. And I done got bored, so I'm finna go in here and see what I can do to help put these steering wheels on. And she got the plates, front and back plates. I don't know what the hell that's for though. Glue, some universal glue. I guess because you gotta put, I guess I gotta glue this somehow or another down. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. I hate the fact that she's doing this. I'm pretty sure that this will make her happy. I just think that you know, this razzle dazzle ain't really my stilo, and not to mention all these rhinestones gonna fall off with time, all the rubbing. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on there for her and see how it goes. So, as y'all can see, it got a weird number on here as a part. And I went to O'Reilly's. They told me they didn't have it. They didn't have it on the shelves. I knew they didn't have nothing like this on the shelf. So I went ahead and moved forward. And I'm coming over here to batteries and bulbs, man. Go ahead and go over here. And then that's the light, the fog light that I picked up the other day that was in the shop already. Well, it actually was in the trunk. I just had it at the shop. That's another situation I'm gonna have to address. You know what I mean? Trying to get it together, man. It's still a few more things that need to be done on this car, but it's a work in progress. Let's see what they say about this bug. We're gonna go in here and see real quick. I'm up over here at my boy house. This nigga got so much shit back here, man. Pontoon boats. And that boy got some cars back here, man. Got his Uncle Magnum. He got this old Cadillac he done towed up. We just letting cars right away, man. I gotta help my boy get back right. They got their baggers from back here. I guess he got his bikes back up and running. He tore this thing up, fixed it, tore it up again. Cut that whole rear bumper off that thing again. And he had this thing sprayed. That was a boat that we took out on the water at one time. Like he done got a whole nother boat back here. This your trailer right here too? That's your trailer now? This one right here? This yours?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a big boy. This nigga got everything back here. What's happening, man? What's happening? He bullshitting?
Boy, he cried for everything.
He said we might be spraying this one, man. And I already know what he want. He gonna want a pearl white. That's just how he coming. He gonna want a pearl white. Kind of rough. Kind of rough. Definitely gonna have to pull out this bed, put a bed cover in it. Like you throwing some new shoes on there for him. That exhaust rotted out. I gotta clean up that frame a little bit. That's if he putting some money into it, I guess, because he done tore up his other truck. So time to pull out another one. And them brakes looking good. So as you can see, this truck we got a disc in the front, and then we got rotors in the back. We got rotors in the front. Yeah, we got rotors in the front, and you got shoes in the back, got drums in the back, in the rear.
That's why I keep putting everything in the back seat in the front. I can't put nothing in it. It's full of shit. I thought you was gonna take it home. Yeah.
And so what the hell he got up over here? He got a damn trike back here. I ain't never seen this trike. But they got rims for every damn thing, boy. Y'all know we some country niggas, man. We just get more shit, tear it up, get some more shit. Probably hard ignoring them. This old school Honda trike. That boy got rims for everything. Cadillacs. Yeah, he had about like 4 or 5 BMWs, ain't no telling. You still got them 7 Series?
Huh?
You still got them Beamers? Sold them? It's already running? It got a Vortec or it got that 350 tune port?
Oh, fuck. You open the hood? Huh? You open the hood? No. Because the hood is open. When I thought you opened. No. I left closed. I didn't open it. It's back.
Oh, they moved the Harleys up in here. That nigga be bullshitting, badass backup, boy. This nigga probably clean as hell. Look at how he treated. Yeah, boy, clean. Oh, they got the motor bus down. He'll probably be back up and running about summer on this one. When you get this one? Who this is? I ain't gonna lie, I always kind of wanted one of these Crown Vics, man. That round one. I ain't never liked them first 91s, 93s. Nigga, I don't need no more cars. Sugar already told me I got a problem. I need to stop. Oh, yeah. Shit, I already know what time that is. I already know what time it is with Bill. This car done been through hell and back.
It probably have, for real.
Now, I bet when I first met him, that's what he was driving around in.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
He got my own,
Got a Ram now, I think. Or it's coming, a truck.
he got a Chevy GMC.
I know you had more in his truck.
2000, 2002.
What's this? This is a 305?
350.
350? Oh, this is not the Vortex, though.
No.
It's an 87.
It's an 88.
No, 97 Vortex. It's 88.
The reason I'm saying because I got a Vortex motor that I'm trying to put in my Monte Carlo, my 86,
Oh.
my T-top. We always need a good mechanic.
No.
I got this much. I ain't got as much shit as him, but I got some stuff too.
That's super sparkle. Yeah.
Yeah, T-top. He want to sell it to me, but he don't do nothing but tear shit up. I can't sell it to him.
Yeah. I do want you to sell it to me.
It bring
And
tears
the
in my
motor.
eyes.
I'm gonna get him to put it in.
It bring tears in my eyes to see you tear that motherfucker up, man.
Shit.
Hey, what y'all doing to the bike?
Which this one?
Yeah, to the pearl
I
white.
want to paint it again. My nephew ran into the back of it more in the yard.
What you want to do on this one? Pearl white, your normal?
No.
Oh, we gonna do something different?
Yeah. I wanna do orange. Like a sun-kissed orange.
Okay.
Burnt orange type.
Cause you talking about let's doing the bike over too, huh? With that two-tone, that you want to do that Dr. Pepper can on the bike. You gonna do spokes, powder coat? You gonna go crazy? Chrome.
Chrome everything. I just want that color.